What if I told you this head mask could be the secret of softening, shining, and regrowing your head? Will you believe it? Yes, of course, I know you may be doubting it, but give it a try and come back here because this head mask is packed with natural goodness. I know if you try, your head is going to love it. Guys, let's start the video. Let's dive into the video, guys. Are you ready to take your hair care to the next level? Today, I will be showing you guys how to make a super nourishing DIY hair mask using natural ingredients that will leave your hair soft, hydrating, and grow like never before. Guys, I use hibiscus clove. I soak it last month. I soak it last night. I put a hot water and leave it inside. So now what I do, I just making a fire to put it inside to boil small. Something that I'm going, because the last time I used the cold one and do before bringing it here to show it to you guys. Because something that I actually, before I will bring a video here, me myself, I will try it. If I try it and I see the benefit, I see that, oh, okay, it's something good that I can bring for people. People also can benefit. That's the time that I'm bringing it out. But if I don't try something, I don't want to bring it out because I don't know how I'm going to say it. How did I feel? I don't know whether if you use it, it will be good or not. So first, I'm the one trying it. And after that, I bring it out. Even if if I'm going to try something, I don't use it for my daughter. Me, myself, I will put it in my hair, whatever that it is, no problem. Before bring it out or before use for my daughter and also bring it out here. So now today I'm making cornstarch hair mask, cornstarch yogurt and hibiscus clove hair mask. So last night I soaked my hibiscus and clove water, and this morning I put it on the fire. I boil it. Now I'm going to strain it. I know the way that I'm going to do is not going to, that's not the healthy way because I have to put blender inside later. So if you want, you can just do the cold way. You can just use the cold water, your infusing water, just use the cold one and do it and put inside the fire and boil it small. But I did it that way because it always look like my hibiscus need more to boil, because I need the color to come out more. That's why I put it on fire. It's not something special. So now after I make it that way, it look like a little bit difficult. So it's have some boil inside. I have to put my hand blender. You can use the hand blender or use a normal blender, or you can strain it also. It's up to you, but I use hand blender to blend it. And now I'm putting it back to fire because I need the cornstarch. I have to let it boil to get more thick. Okay, so after putting it inside my fire, putting it back on my fire again. So in this way you can leave it on the fire like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, it depends of the fire, because sometimes maybe you can make the fire high or you make the fire low. So you can make it like 10 minutes. So 10 minutes time you just remove it from the fire and let it get cold, so that you add the next ingredient. Before even, you have to let it get cold because the ingredient that I'm going to add, I need this thing to get cold. Otherwise, if it's not cold, it's not going to be easier for me. So I have to allow it. I have to leave it to get for it to get cold before I can mix my next ingredients. Guys, after pouring it inside my bowl, I have to allow it get cold, as I said earlier, before I can mix my next ingredients. But actually I'll be mixing some, because some of the ingredients there is no any problem for whether it's hot or not. There's no any problem, but some ingredients, I have to allow it get cold before I can do what I can add it inside. But you will see the ingredients that I'm going to add inside. But with that, I see my yogurt also, because of the yogurt, even that's why I want it to get cold before I can add the yogurt inside. So now I'm holding my honey. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey inside. Let's check the benefit of the ingredients. Honey is natural humectant, locking in moisture, promoting a healthy scalp with antibacterial property. So that is the honey. If you are adding honey inside, what you get, and also honey is also increasing your head shine and making it more soft to be able to manage your head simple, like if your head, you have stubborn hair, it will be good when you are doing your hair mask, you add honey inside. So let's see my infusing oil. The oil that I put inside 2 tablespoons, that is my infusing oil. That video I just posted not long ago, so if you check my channel, you can see the full video to watch it over there, whether Facebook or YouTube. Well, let's see hibiscus and clove plus moringa infusion oil. Hibiscus is strengthening hair growth, promoting and shining, and encouraging hair growth. Clove is stimulating scalp, increasing, reducing hair falling. And moringa is packed with vitamin A and vitamin E and zinc for nourishing and promoting healthy hair. So those things, if you are adding inside your head mask, definitely you will get some benefit from your head. And now I'm adding my yogurt, because this yogurt, that one, actually I just did once. I make this head mask once, and this time will be my second time I'm doing it, and I was really love it when I add it inside my head mask. I really love it. So that is why this time around I said, oh, why not? After checking the benefit that yogurt also have, I say it will be good for me to share it with my audience. Maybe in case someone have a stubborn hair, or someone also fighting to see how can she do to protect her hair from breakage, then it will be good you also get some yogurt when you are making your hair mask. You can be adding it inside, not all the time, but sometimes maybe when you are doing, you can be adding inside, because we have a lot of things to make hair mask. So you can be changing your hair mask. If you think that this one is working if you use some hair masks and that one is working for you, then I will advise you should continue. So now you can see my daughter hair. Now I bring my hydrating spray. Before I'm going to put the hair mask, the head is dry. Okay, I washed it yesterday, but her head is dry. So because of it's dry, I cannot just take the head mask and put inside her hair like that. So first of all, I have to hydrate the hair to make the hair get warm, for the hair to be ready, so that before I can put the head mask inside. So I'm going to advise you, if you're also going to do yours, whether you are using hydrating spray or you can just use normal water, spray it in your head, make your head get wet small. I'm not saying you should just pour water inside your head, let it be over your body, water is flowing and you are putting the head mask. No. And I'm not saying you should make the hydrating spray and just pour everything inside your head. No, I'm telling you that you should use it. You yourself, when you are using, you may feel like, okay, this one is okay for me. So that you just make it get warm. Warm. I don't know how I'm going to say it. Is it warm? No, not too much wet. Yeah, not too much wet. Just make it normal wet and start making your hair mask. So now this mask, because of I told you guys before I bring something, I actually, me myself, I'm using it first. If I use and it's good, then I use for my daughter and make the video. So now I'm bringing this one out of here for you guys also to see how this thing is working. It's very nice, and I will advise everybody to do what to using it, especially the ladies. Those who are also looking for a way to grow their hair or to protect their hair from breakage. It will be good for you to be using this thing into your head all the time. Benefit of yogurt. Yogurt is rich in protein. It strengthens head and reducing hair breaking, nourishing your head also. Natural lactic promoting scalp healthy and fighting dandruff when you are adding yogurt to your head mask. So this thing, all the time, I've been saying it in my video, not because of I'm saying. You can do your research also before you use it. I'm not saying you should use, but I told you that if you really want to use and you don't believe, or you are just thinking what I'm doing, oh, should you also do or what? Do your research. You also can do research and do it, and make sure if you do it, let me know how it go, because this thing I know the benefit and I know what I gain from it. The first time when I use it, I really enjoy it. That is why I even use it for my daughter, because if something is good, I will use it, and I use for my daughter before bring it out. But if it is not good, me myself is alone, I'm not going to use it for my daughter, not to talk of bring it outside for people also to try it. Okay, so I will not do that. And before I bring it, then it means that thing is good for me and it's good for my daughter. I have a high prostate hair, my daughter is having low prostate hair. So it means if you have high prostate hair or low prostate hair or medium prostate hair, it means it's going to work for you also. So that is why I say, okay, this one is for all the hair type, you also can use it. So that's it. So that is what we have. And so now I put her shower cap on her, and guys, you can notice that she was just busy eating. Now she know that I'm finished. She was saying bye bye soon. She'll be saying bye bye soon. Yeah. So anytime when I'm doing hair mask, you can see that this child should be started eating, putting her hands inside her mouth, be eating. She'll be eating. You see, yeah, she's saying bye bye and clapping her hands. She know that I have finished now. Now I finish. I leave her alone now. So that's why I'm not using neem on her, because I know if I use neem, maybe she may not allow me to put my hand inside again, or she may be disturbing me when I'm going to make the head mask on her. But I always do some things that like natural things, something that without any chemicals. If she's putting inside her mouth, even it's not going to be disturbing me, or I'm not going to be thinking too much about it. That's why I always do natural things, natural ingredients for her hair mask. Even all of us, not hair alone, me myself too. I don't use chemicals thing for my head again. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you watch it up to this point, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it. Okay guys, after we finish doing the hair mask, you can see my daughter hair. It look like I put relaxer on her. I wish this girl allow me to take a video again, but now I think she want to go and sleep. I can understand she's tired, so she's not allowing me to put. I just suffer even to hold it this way, because I don't want her to go to bed without just take it to bed like that. At least when I hold it this way, I can just twist it once so that she can go to bed. Maybe when she wake up, I can do something, or tomorrow. So that's it. This thing is natural thing, so try it for yourself or try it for your daughter. I know if you try it for yourself or your daughter is going to love it, because this thing is very soft. It's making your head very more softer and easier to manage. Okay, and very easier to manage. And now you can see my daughter, her ages also is coming. That's making me more happy, because her ages, why she doesn't have, the ages was not there. She ages was just like they shave it. Now her ages, you can see that the ages is covering now. I'm super happy for my product. I'm so happy for everything. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, try your best to subscribe, like it, and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guy, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate all of you. I love you all. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Ciao.